Make tea from scratch. So this was the only thing that I managed to get in landscape, and also this, so please bear with me while I switch. So this was the beginning of the trip. We headed to Gatura Greens, a very beautiful place. We were welcomed really nicely. We then trekked over to the tea farms. It was a beautiful scenery, and this was us picking up the tea. Those are the baskets that we used. We then came back where we were gonna make the tea that we have harvested, and that was our harvest. The tea is then roasted until it looks like this, and then it's spread apart and it cools down really fast, and then you basically roll it like that to prepare it, and then it's dried. And then we had some tea tasting, which was really amazing. And after all that hard work, we took a beautiful walk to go and see the waterfall, and wait for it, boom, that was the waterfall. It had rained a bit, but the sun came out and it was really beautiful, and this was the tea we made.